Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and as we continue to hear things happening out of Ignite conference, one of the things that is interesting about the Microsoft Edge Chromium browsers, this week we learned that they were actually going to release this on January 15th. We learned that as soon as it's ready, it might actually ship even before that date in Windows 10. But one of the interesting aspects of this is that, in 2015, when Windows 10 actually arrived on the market, one of the things that was pretty evident is that Edge browser at the time was really unfinished. It was really, there was so many features missing. And, at the time I remember making a comment about, maybe they should have not include Edge and wait until it's really ready to actually add it to Windows 10. Well, history is about to repeat itself, apparently. It seems that in January 15th, when it is generally available, there will be tons of features missing. And Microsoft says, well, these features are not super important. Yeah, some of them are, like the ability to sync history and sync some of the data between browsers and between different Windows 10 machines. There's quite a few of these. The Chrome extensions won't be working natively already, at the moment when that's going to happen. And you tell me that these are not super important? Who decided that that's not super important? I know a lot of people that use extensions and they want to have their extensions. So on January 15th, you're going to release a browser that is incomplete. And that also means that, you're already starting with a browser people won't want to use because of that. And that won't change. If you don't have what you want on January 15th with Edge Chromium, you're not going to come back to Edge Chromium. And I really don't understand why Microsoft is acting like this. First of all, there's really no urgency of that. We could wait until June of 2020 to have a completed Edge browser. Why would you rush it? And why would you want to get it out before it's complete? I don't get the thinking behind this. And, already with the regular Edge, they started off bad and they never really were able to have Microsoft Edge as a browser that people use. Well, okay. Edge Chromium looks like it's going to be a nice browser, but you're already killing it at the start by not completing it. And it's going to be complete at some point, but it'll be too late. So I don't know. Microsoft should really wait. But it seems that we're going to have a browser that's not completed. Really. This is, I think, my daily rant at Microsoft, considering what's happening with the Edge browser and the future and how they're actually going to bring this to everybody. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.